our art friends. Today in Kitty Can Joke, we are going to learn how to draw Bluey dressed up like an acorn. So let's start drawing. First, draw an oval shape for the eye. Then draw a smaller oval shape inside, then color it. Draw a horizontal line coming out from the side of the eye and end it with a triangular shape for the nose. Color the nose, leaving a white spot to show light reflection. Draw the smiley mouth coming out from the bottom of the nose, ending with a curve. Draw a half circle for the other eye on top of the nose part. Then draw a smaller half circle inside, then color. Draw a thick eyebrow over each eye. Draw a cloud shape partially hidden behind the eyebrow to make the unicorn bang. Then draw the unicorn horn on top. And decorate it with some stripes. Draw the sides of the hairband, making the one on the left much longer and thicker. Draw a line coming out from the side of the hairband, then going down to make the side of the body. Draw a similar line on the other side, intersecting the nose part. Decorate Bluey's face with some lines around the eyes and the mouth. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Draw two curved lines coming out from the right side of the body to make the arm. Finish the arm by drawing the hand with tiny fingers. Draw a small curve inside the palm and decorate the arm with a line in the middle. Then draw a curved zigzag line for the bottom part of the sleeve. Draw a large letter V right under the mouth for the dress color. Draw half a circle inside the body on the left side. Then close it at the bottom with a horizontal line to make the sleeve and decorate to the curved zigzag line at the bottom. Draw two lines coming down from the sleeve to make the arm and finish the arm with the hand with tiny fingers. Decorate the dress collar with a curved zigzag line. Draw a horizontal line partially hidden behind the left arm to make the dress waistline. Draw a line coming down diagonally from each side of the waistline. Then connect it with a wavy line partially hidden behind the left arm. Repeat the same steps 2 more times to make the ruffles of the dress. Decorate the ruffles by another wavy line on each layer. Draw 2 lines coming down from the bottom of the dress to make the leg. finish the leg by drawing the paw, with 2 curved lines for the toes. Repeat the same steps to make the other leg. Decorate the legs and the left arm with a line in the middle. Draw 2 lines coming out from the side and connect them with a curved zigzag line to make the tail. Decorate the tail with a line in the middle. Draw a curved line coming out from the left side of the body. Then draw some curved lines connected to each other, looking like fingers, with the last one of them making a twist and connecting again to the side of the body to make the wing of the alicorn. Draw some curved lines on the other side of the body around the right arm to make the other wing partially hidden behind the arm. Draw an upside down letter V on top of the head to make the ear. Then draw a smaller one inside and repeat these steps to make the other ear. Unitastic! Now you can draw Bluey wearing an alicorn costume. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve this video effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface, while coloring, leave a small line without color or use a white pen or pencil over your colors. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.